Luke Nolan, Central Coating Company, up on a roof today in Mountain View. Just doing a final survey of a roof that the crew wrapped up actually way earlier this year. Super challenging project. Comes in right at about 33,000 square feet of total roof area, but that stretches over dozens of little individual roof areas on these high-end apartments. So it extends all the way over to where those kind of peak metal roofs are, and all the way out to the street on that far side. So super cool project. Although it's only about 33,000 square feet, there's almost a mile of edge on this building. We have new flashings all the way around, every single edge. We've got new metal slip sheets underneath all of the units, and sleeper caps on all of the what were previously exposed wood sleepers. So a real upgrade to this building, adding energy efficiency, building comfort for the top floor units, and a 20-year warranty. So it was a great project. Guys did a fantastic job and something to be proud of.